Hey guys, welcome to a very short introduction video of our intake solutions that we have for the CEP and CZGB versions, so for the K16 based steel block engines. You already know our 100, 125, 4 or 5 inch intake system that we have for these models available, and we now have redesigned our very known turbo inlet for these models. Here you can see, as I showed already in several pictures, our latest design, which has really nice, awesome flow inside. We have absolutely 0 welding spots in the inside. It is fabricated out of one piece, really flawless flow inside, possible even in front of the turbine, as you can see here. So this nice inlet is available now. And you can combine it with the adapter to our open air intake, available in silver glossy, as you can see here. Again, look, that surface inside, look at this. There's exactly nothing holding back a very great airflow. So either silver or black, we have big stock of both, even of the intake pipe as well. So here is a very good intake option for your car if you want to go, for example, with a TC610 hybrid, or if you want to go with a competitive hybrid reaching into 500 or even 600 horsepower or maybe more. So we have great stock. Just get in touch for direct shipment.